Sri Rama Vijaya, Chapter 5. At this time there was a great famine in the country, as there was no rain for 12 years, and consequently the subjects of the king died of thirst and hunger one after another. The rain was stopped because Vrashaparva, a powerful demon, fought with the gods in heaven with the assistance of his guru Shukra. Indra therefore sent a chariot to Dashratha and requested him to come up to heaven and kill the demon, informing him at the same time that the rain was stopped on account of the battle with the gods. Whereupon Dashratha went by the chariot to Indra with his favorite wife Kaikeyi. Immediately on his arrival there, Dashratha fought with the demons and killed a large number of them when Vrashaparva made an attack upon the king, but he was also repulsed. His guru Shukra then took the field and discharged arrows at the king when the chariot of the king was about to give way, but his wife Kaikeyi supported it by one of her hands, of which the king knew nothing. Dashratha bravely continued the fight and cut off Guru's horse and mukut. Shukra fled in alarm with the other demons. When everything was over, the king was informed that the victory he had gained in the battle with the demons was due to his wife Kaikeyi. The king was pleased with her and asked her what reward she wanted from him. Kaikeyi replied, "Kindly give me your promise that you will give me whatever I will ask from you, and I shall ask you for it whenever I like." The king generously gave the promise she required. The victory gained by Dashratha in the battle with the demons was due to Kaikeyi because when she was young, a tapasvi came to her parents and stayed with them for a day. At the time of his bathing, her mother told her to go and rub his body with scents. She accordingly went to him with the scents, but finding that the tapasvi was absorbed in meditation, she applied soot to his face instead of the scents. Having found that the soot had been applied to his face, he got indignant, cursed the doer of the mischief, and said, "Whoever has applied this soot to my face will always be looked upon by all people with contempt." Her mother was afraid of this curse, and finding that it was her daughter's doing, she threw herself at the feet of the tapasvi and implored him to make the curse a little milder. Whereupon the tapasvi said, "The hand with which your daughter has applied the soot to my face will give success to her husband in a battle which he will fight with the demons, and for which only she will be praised by all." Jai Sri Ram. Sri Rama Vijaya, Chapter 5 complete.